Got this on LiDL's website, and I've been waiting approx 2 weeks for this torch Worklight. It's going to come in very handy. Went to Lidl and they had this LED light PALC 3A1. It's a 200 lumens lamp and a front spotlight with 50 lumens. Works for approx 1 hour work light, front spotlight 11 hours and front spotlight eco mode 20 hours. It's a 2-in-1, so you get 2 lamps for 1. It's got a magnet at the bottom, so you can attach it, for example, to your bonnet if you got a metal bonnet, and work on your car. And then you can use the spotlight to direct the beam of the spotlight to anywhere you want. So let's open this up. The spotlight manual. Let's see. I'm not sure what kind of. There's the magnets. Handy. Press this button and it opens up. Turn it on. Can't turn it on, obviously. Let's see. How'd you open it? That's the beam. Looks like it's already got batteries inside. Is it 2? 2 or 3? I'm not sure. And they both work. So you got your, I'm pretty sure the cover, plastic cover here. Well, there better be, because this is a bit scratched up. I'm not sure if you can see it. The cover is a bit scratched up. I'm not seeing anything that is removable, to be honest. Anyway, so press the button, this comes off. Got the torch. You can use this, or you can just pull it out and you've got a lamp. You can use both at the same time. So let's turn the light off and see what it looks like. Turn it off. So you can turn this one on and off by pressing the button, and this one needs to turn off like that. Okay, all lights are off. This one's not too bad actually. 50 lumens. How far does it go? Okay. And then you got this. Can I use it to make a video? Maybe. Let's have a look. You can see everything. And I guess if you wanted to, shine a spotlight as well. So that's not too bad. It only takes looks like the build quality is okay. It's just the Q&A of them before they package it is a bit crap. So the magnet, I don't know if it sticks to it. Sticks to my radiator and it's quite powerful. Let's see exactly how many batteries it does take. looks like it's free. Another one here. Yep, free batteries, free AAA batteries. And this will be handy if I have to work on a car or in an emergency. It's got a torch, magnet, so the torch has two modes, bright and eco. It's supposed to last 20 hours on eco. LED front spotlight, max 1 times 0.5 watts or 1 times 0.2 watts on eco, and strip light is 1 times 1.5 watts. Just pull out and the strip light comes on. I thought it might be 360, but it's not. I'm pretty sure it said 360 somewhere. Yep, it said on the website it's 360 angle adjustable. Not very 360 to be honest. Anyway, that's a quick video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.